Hello, English champions. This is Asif Amar from Amar Academy of English. Today I am going to tell you about adjective complement and all possible functions and positions of a noun. So, without a further delay, let's get started. Gentlemen, before starting my lecture, let me clear one thing that this is a short lecture in which I am trying to introduce these concepts. But in case you need a detailed and comprehensive lecture, you can go to my YouTube channel, Amar Academy of English. Okay, gentlemen, let's discuss a very simple but very important topic of English grammar, and that is all functions of noun. One way that a noun can be used is as a subject. The subject is a doer of the action. The examples are: Alian is my only son. A beautiful girl came to my house. What I have seen at night is unbelievable. Here in sentence 1 and 3 shows the state of being, and in the sentence 2 we talked about the doer of the action. One more way that a noun can be used is as an object. We have three kinds of object: direct object, indirect object, as well as prepositional object. Direct object and indirect object is also called verb complement. Verb complement is actually the direct and indirect object which completes the meaning of verb, and we have discussed it briefly in our last slide. I think no need to explain it more, so let's move on. So now let's quickly discuss noun clause as adjective complement. Let's get started. First of all, let's look at the function of a noun. A subject can perform the following function: subject of a verb, object of a verb, object of a preposition, subject complement and object complement, and adjective complement. I specifically made this lecture on adjective complement, so let's get started. Isn't it interesting? Isn't it interesting? Isn't it interesting since complement is a completer and it completes the meaning of different parts of a sentence as subject, object, and adjective and verb. We can also say that even a subject is also a completer of a verb or sentence. Okay, now let's discuss the position. Noun clause as adjective complement. Adjective plus noun clause. It means that noun clause as adjective always comes after an adjective. Mostly sentence having be form is, am, or was, were. I'm so happy plus noun, that is the example. That means after adjective we can use a noun, but especially in phrase and clause like noun clause or phrase or infinitive or infinitive phrase. That was the first structure. That was the first structure, and the second structure is it plus be plus adjective is used, and after that noun clause is used. Now let's talk about uses and benefits of noun clause as adjective. It is used in synthesis of sentences to reduce the number of sentences to save time. Number 2, easy to understand the meaning of sentence, and it tells us the reason and description of that adjective, so it becomes easy for the reader to understand the true meaning of a sentence. Take a look on these sentences. It is true. She is a liar. True is an adjective, and true what or what is true? We have to find out what is true. So we need a completer of adjective. So actually it is true that she is a liar. So sentence 2 has the answer. I have one more example adjective for true. So it is true. She has completed her degree. Both the sentences. So in this way, it is true that she is a liar. It is true that she has completed that she is a liar is our adjective complement. What is true? Now completes the meaning of true. Complement completes the meaning of adjective, and we can convey, and that is meaning that she has completed her degree in another structure. Take a look at another example. That she is a liar. We should work hard. We can use noun clause. It is necessary that we should work hard in the place of it. The next example is, it is compulsory you must attend the class. It is compulsory that you must attend the class. That you must attend the class is our adjective complement. As per my experience, we come across two construction in adjective complement, and that is first, number 1, it construction, and number 2, normal sentences subject linking verb plus subjective complement or nominative adjective. So here are some examples of construction. Number 2, that is use some noun clause as adjective. It is pity that in place of try harder. I am happy that you came here.